Hello everyone, I'm very happy to have me here to introduce to the Kaohsiung Medical University, Kaohsiung Ije-Dashe, short KMU, in Taiwan. My name is Dr. Hans-Uwe Dahms and I am a teacher at the school. I have 7 Ph.D. students in my lab and one of them is here with me, Ms. Revathi Gurunathan. You will hear about her later on. So the Kaohsiung Ije-Dashe is working with many different issues which are medically related by and large. KMU is well connected internationally and offers a lot of activities, particularly for students, and a lot of career opportunities as well as in-depth study possibilities. You see here our campus with several sport fields, and KMU is also situated in the center of Kaohsiung. I come back to this a little later. I'm working with my student in the Research Center for Environmental Medicine, and we are particularly interested in the monitoring of environmental health risks and particularly also the impacts on public health and individual health. For instance, we are looking at the safety of food, of drink, and also the air we are breathing. We are interested in emerging environmental toxicants. We are looking at local as well as national environmental issues, and we are interested in new and continuing concerns. Our research center, as most of the several research centers at KMU, is funded by the Ministry of Science and Technology and several other funding agencies. You see that KMU is situated here in the south of Taiwan, in the metropolitan of Kaohsiung, and it is strongest city economically, but also very much populated. So it's a real city life with all its attractions and excitements you can experience at KMU, as well as nature. For instance, we have the Shushan National Nature Park in the area, as well as night markets, of course, downtown. We have a Love River, which is just 10 minutes walk from the school, KMU, and we are well connected by different logistic ways of traveling, for instance with the high-speed rail to the north of Taiwan, and we have of course regular trains, and we have a national and international airport. The national airport connects to several towns and cities in Taiwan, and the international airport to places such as Hong Kong, Singapore, Kuala Lumpur, and many other destinations. We are providing a wide range of medical related courses and facilities, both for basic and also for applied clinical research. And we have about 6,500 students now. About 400 of them are international students, and they are coming from more than 40 countries. Overseas, internships and academic exchanges are offered for our students as well as for international students coming to KMU. And we have several international academic collaborations with different countries in the United States, in Canada, in Europe, for instance with the University of Cologne, in Germany, where I am coming from. So herzlich willkommen an der Kaohsiung Medical University, wenn Sie von Deutschland kommen. And also with Seoul National University, I was a professor in Seoul, South Korea for several years. Annyeonghaseyo, please visit and come and study at Kaohsiung Medical University. You see here students, for instance, working in the University of Cologne in Germany at the School of Medicine, where we have a very good and intensive collaboration. KMU also has affiliated hospitals, 5 in number in Kaohsiung, and they allow reputable teaching and also offer comprehensive and humanitarian health care to people in southern Taiwan. So you see the hospitals here. Maybe I do not have to mention the names in detail. And we can provide 7 colleges and many degree, undergraduate, graduate and postgraduate, like Ph.D. degree programs in the College of Medicine in particular, but also the College of Dental Medicine, the College of Pharmacy, the College of Nursing, and the College of Health Science, and the College of Life Science, where I'm working in the Department of Biomedical Science and Environmental Biology. It also contains the Department of Biotechnology and the Department of Medicinal and Applied Chemistry. Then we have the College of Humanities and Social Science, and many, as mentioned already, research centers, such as the Research Center for Environmental Medicine, where I am working. And now I want to continue one of my PhD students, Mrs. Revathi Gurunathan, with her own experience at KMU. And thank you very much coming with us here for this filming. Revathi, please go ahead. Thank you very much.
Thank you for having me here. Hi, this is Revathi Gurunathan. I'm doing Ph.D. in Kaohsiung Medical University in the Department of Medicine and Applied Chemistry. So I joined Kaohsiung in the year of 2019, and it's been almost 3.5 years for me here. And so far the life has been really great in Kaohsiung Medical University, in and outside the campus. And I'm going to share my experience, how it's been for me here in the Kaohsiung Medical University. So yeah, to talk about the research, it's been really great because I learned a lot of instruments and the research techniques, and all the lab equipments are highly facilitated and easy to access, and highly recommended for the research purposes. So if you have any research plan and if you want to do some research programs, and if you want to join for PhD, I highly recommend KMU because of the instrument facilities, because of the guidance which you get here in Kaohsiung Medical University is highly appreciable and is good quality. So yeah, so my research field is molecular biology and protein expression. So I'm working under the guidance of Dr. Hans, who just now spoke about KMU. So yeah. So to join in KMU offers many programs, short-term and long-term programs. PhD is for long-term program, and the short-term programs involves like clinical elective at the medical hospital in KMU, where you can learn the medicinal practices. And the other program is TEEP KMU, that is Taiwan Experience Education programs, where you can choose your field of study, your research interest, that can be biology, medicine, environment, or pharmaceuticals. And these programs are highly recommended because the professors who's going to teach are very experienced, and you can learn a lot from these internship programs. And also, if you have good data, then probably you can go for publications also, which is being supported by the Kaohsiung Medical University. I am from India, and there are many people who come from other countries. So we celebrated few of our national functions, that is Pongal, Holi, and it was surprised that people from other countries also joined these festivals, and it was a great event. And this was hosted by OGA and supported and sponsored by OGA. So if you come here, you can experience the cultural diversity in Kaohsiung Medical University, and also explore and learn the other culture and mingle with them, and enjoy the life here. So this is few of the functions organized and supported by OGA. So we celebrated Pongal festival, and some functions has been supported by OGA and my friends from other countries and from native India. To talk about the education in KMU, it's very affordable. So you can see the tuition fees per semester for the School of Medicine is 2,440 USD, and for School of Dentistry it is 2240, and for the other undergraduate programs it varies between 1500 USD to 1900 USD. And also to live, we have accommodation inside the campus which has 3 to 4 bedrooms and 1 to 4 bedrooms, and can be 2 bedroom shared rooms, in which also has a kitchen where you can cook. And since I am from outside, I really need a kitchen to cook, and it's really helpful and is easy to access also. And in case if you have problem in paying the tuition fees, the KMU offers many concession and supports you if you cannot pay. So, and the scholarships, like I am here with the KMU scholarship. So the other scholarships which is being given by KMU is the KMU scholarship, Taiwan ICDF scholarship, and Taiwan scholarship. So the scholarship amount for KMU scholarship is 1,20,000, and for ICDF is 500, and for Taiwan scholarship it is 12,000. So, like my experience in Kaohsiung Medical University has been really great, like I've said, because the university is situated in the second largest city of Taiwan, and it's very lively and easy to access. All the people are very supportive in Kaohsiung Medical University, and so far I have never faced any problems in Kaohsiung Medical University. And from the OGA and from the OA, even if something happens, they are ready to help you always. And I, from other country, really need their support, and I feel that OGA and OA, that is Office of Academic Affairs, does it great. So KMU, there are 2 intakes each year, fall intake and spring intake. So fall intake is at the end of the year, and spring intake starts from July to October. So spring intake is for graduate programs only, and it's in both the languages, English and Chinese. If you have any questions, you can contact KMU Division of Admissions and Student Recruitment.
Thank you for choosing KMU